Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. I feel like I have not seen you in forever. That's how long I've been waiting for this dumb manifold to get here. And today, it's finally here. Huge shout out to Airlift for sending me a new manifold. But before I install this, I want to give a huge thank you to Christian. You guys might know him from Nia Auto Designs. He has been helping me out so much, and he was the first person to actually give me a full diagnostic just by answering my messages and looking at the videos I was sending him, and he was like, yeah dude, your manifold's messed up. Honestly, I wouldn't have jumped to that conclusion without you, so huge thank you to you. Check out his build, it'll be right here. It is so freaking nice. I also have been waiting to install this one part, and I feel like a lot of you guys might like this. A buddy of mine, Raymond, gave me the link to this, and it is this premium 2020 RC LC ES push to start button. Look at how nice this is. I know you guys are thinking like, oh my god, it's just a button, no big deal. Yes, there's a big deal. This thing is like aluminum, and I'll show you the difference. Oh yeah, I always leave a beanie so my controller doesn't get hot. Come on though, look at this difference. The button is completely different. It's more squared instead of being rounded like this. It just looks so much more premium. Anyways, I think this is gonna be a great mod. I've wanted this for a while now. I've had it for 2 weeks just waiting to install, but I wanted it to be in a video that, you know, you guys would see and be able to find it. So check it out. That's the part number, and the website that I got it from is called Amayama. Huge shout out to Ray, thank you again for putting me on. You can get on this website for $125 shipped. Anywhere else, it's gonna cost at least $280 since it's coming from Japan. If you guys are too lazy to look for it, link is in the description below, so thank me later. All right, I think it should just come off like this. I'm not really sure. Well, I know this comes off. How the frick do I get this off? Don't tell me I have to take off this freaking whole panel. I don't really want to do that. So it took me a while to figure this out, but all you do is dig your fingernails into here and you can pop this panel forward. This should come out as well and should look like that. So let's go ahead and pop this off and plug in the new one. You know what it is, guys, direct plug and play. Oof. And it works. You guys know what it is, plug and play. Super simple, definitely makes a very subtle difference, but super clean nonetheless. Let's finally get to installing this new manifold. I actually don't think I've ever showed you guys my trunk setup. Excuse the mess. I actually use my trunk. That's the setup. It's very simple. I didn't bolt down my manifold because I was gonna replace it anyways. Let's go ahead and air out the tank. The bags are all aired out, and then we can unplug everything and put in the new one. Oh shit, there's some water.
Water! Water! I need water! Oh, water! Oh, water! Oh, water!
Alright guys, moment of truth. Everything's plugged in. Hopefully everything works. If you didn't know, when the car calibrates, it's pretty much checking bags, making sure ground is flat, everything is good and no leaks. The car should pretty much move once I hit start. Everything is done. Presets are made. This is how it looks aired out. Now I'm gonna show you guys my ride height. It's not the worst. It's pretty high in my opinion, but I do have a low ride height that I actually just made right now. Everyone's been telling me, dude, make a low ride height just for like when you want to drive low for rollers or whatever it is, and I finally made one. So check it out. It's pretty damn low, and I'm pretty sure I don't rub at all, but I will rub going into driveways, and I'll definitely scrape. We have like very little gap. There's gonna be no rubbing whatsoever because I shaved this part. This is really low and it still doesn't hit because of my camber. Look at how low this is. It's 2 fingers. I don't really mind my actual ride height because it's still not too high, but this thing is pretty low. So glad I have everything figured out and taken care of because this has been going on for a long time. Now I finally get to enjoy my bags and I can give you guys my full experience. I did get to drive on it a little bit. I want to say maybe like 4 to 5 days before everything went to shit. And I drove it a little bit while the manifold was messed up. So now I think I'm ready to give you guys a full-on review about bags. Don't worry, I'm still gonna announce the winners of the giveaway at the end of the video, so watch all the way till the end. Anyways, I'm gonna give you a full-on review on air suspension and what I think of it so far. Let's start off with the cons because I'm sure everyone wants to know what the bad things are about air suspension. This is like the #1 thing, and I'm sure all of you guys know this, including the ones who don't know anything about bags. It will never ride like springs or coils. It doesn't matter how stiff you make it. I have my dampening at the maximum setting and it'll never feel like springs, just as like springs will never feel like coils. Now, that doesn't mean that air suspension is uncomfortable whatsoever. It rides pretty close to stock depending on how soft you want to make it. I have it as stiff as it can possibly be right now. It's probably like this far away from feeling like my springs, which aren't that stiff to begin with. To me, I feel like my lowering springs drove a lot better. The other con is I noticed that I started 3-wheeling more, whether I'm aired up or ride height. So what that means is you're on only 3 wheels when you're getting out of a driveway and you're angled, which means you have a higher chance of getting stuck. With my springs, I never got stuck, probably because all my wheels sag. And now that I'm on bags and my ride height is low and the bags are stiffer, it's a little bit higher up. So I don't get all 4 wheels in contact with the ground sometimes. And it kind of sucks, but I guess you learn to live with it. I'm still picking and choosing my battles. Yeah, bags should be able to get me into every single driveway, but there are still some that you just shouldn't risk no matter how high you can air up because they can be too narrow. Maybe for a normal car, yeah, but mine, the lip and everything sticks out a lot. So still better to be safe than sorry, regardless if you have bags or not. And I want to say the third con is, this is actually really common, but the PSI levels for your presets never really stay at that preset. So if your ride height is at 70 in the front and 120 PSI in the rear, it's always going to fluctuate between 5 to 10 PSI, and it's kind of annoying, but that's just how PSI works. I'm sure if I upgrade to height sensors, it'll be a lot different. So maybe I might do that in the future. Let me know in the comments down below if any of you guys have height sensors and what your experience is with it and if it's worth it. But honestly, those are the only cons I can think of off the top of my head, and those are like the 3 main ones that I'm sure everyone experiences, so it's not the biggest deal. My favorite thing about the bags is that obviously I can air out. That's like the main reason why anyone gets bags, is so you can be as low to the ground as you possibly want. I would always recommend bags just because it's perfect for daily driving. I have no complaints besides the 3 that I gave you, and those 3 can honestly be looked past. It's not a big deal. Just don't buy it used. Do payment plans, save up. Don't go through the headache that I had to go through. Enjoy your bags, knowing that if anything does break, it's all under warranty because you literally just bought it brand new. Is it worth it? I say yes. So for the rest of the day, we're gonna go shoot with Josh. I'm gonna meet up with him in a little bit. Probably gonna wash my car beforehand, get everything ready, shoot those cinematics that you guys and I have been waiting for so badly. Oh, and I'm definitely gonna announce the giveaway winners, and I'm gonna be hosting another giveaway pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for supporting. Let's go ahead and continue this day. Woo! My boy Josh with the new wheels. Woo! Woo! I'm gonna get some rollers of your car, so don't drive too fast because your car's faster than mine. My boy. What up?
What's up?
You already know what it is. Getting those cinematic shots. Look, Josh, your friends.
I don't know them. Dude, they knew we were gonna be here today, so they showed up.
Shut up. Alright guys, so we came out in the hills near the mountains. Me and Josh tried to come here a couple nights ago and we couldn't get this to open, so we're just gonna do it in front here. But it would have been so sick if we could do it over there. You guys like Josh's new wheels? You know, the whole time I was driving behind you, I couldn't stop staring at your spoiler. Really? I just love how shiny it is. Like, it looks so sick. I was like, so sick.
Coming out clean though, huh?
I like the lip too. I wonder who got it for you.
I know, dude.
It needs low and it needs side skirts though. Oof. Honestly, I'm so hyped. I feel like you just got this car yesterday and now you're doing all this stuff to it.
and then I'm just gonna get another car and then stop this car.
All right, don't tell them that. I think they're gonna run it. Let's get it.
Who's your money on?
Black one for sure. The black one sounded mean when he was just pulling up. But you never know, Peaches got it too. If they are gonna run it, I think that guy is gonna win because his car sounded mean. That guy's pretty lit too. They both sounded really nice, but I doubt they'll run it. You already know Josh got the rig, about to work his magic. Guys, look at this. Look at this view.
Look on the camera.
God damn. Josh's car looking so beautiful. Great choice on wheels. He got some AGs, super luxury. A lot of Beamers have it. I've seen Ferraris with it. I've seen Audis. I think it's a Avant-Garde, right? Pretty stoked that you went with a real wheel instead of a rep. Not that there's anything wrong with the reps. It's a good first wheel, and he got it for a good ass deal. It feels so good to finally be able to air out with no issues. Manifold works, it airs up fast.
Is your muffler on the floor?
It hits the ground when I air out.
I should have saw.
It could be lower.
Could be lower.
Yeah. Does it need more low? Because I think it does. I'm also going to be driving my car to San Diego this weekend and back. Hopefully I get there, no issues, no pop bags, nothing. And I know you've been waiting to see the cinematics, so I'm gonna drop it right here for you guys to see. Hope you guys enjoy.
But it was worth the time because it showed me what I had to find. Our best memory was when you faded away. And I can't relate to all the bad energy you brought me. There probably was time, but I couldn't wait. No, I couldn't wait. I can't hide because baby boy, that's my life. You took your time and then I took mine. But it was worth the time because it showed me what I had to find. Our best memory was when you faded away. And I ain't ashamed of all the games that we used to play. There probably was
Hey, nice car, dude.
More than you can afford, pal. Lexus. No! R.I.P. me. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the cinematics for that. Josh absolutely killed it, and I hope you guys like the way my car looks aired out. Now, it's time to announce the giveaway winners. Third place, who is getting the OBD scanner, is KevBot. Congratulations, you're a winner. I'll be contacting you shortly. Next up, winner number 2 is Martin Thomas. You are getting an air pump. Congrats, man. You deserve it. And I will be contacting you shortly. Hope you enjoy. Winner number 1, and that is Dusan Busara. I hope I didn't butcher your name. You are a winner. Congrats. First place goes to you. Since you are first place, I thought I'd just throw in some stickers for my brand, Mental. So I hope you enjoy. Congrats for being first place winner, and I will contact you shortly as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. More giveaways to come. I'm gonna be doing lots of giveaways because you guys have done nothing but support me, and I just really want to give back. I know this video was long overdue. There's a lot of complications like the manifold. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel and you really like this video, hit that subscribe button. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.